I want to connect this one to this one. So I click on this. If I click on the circle and this one, and you see the crown has appeared, I don't need the crown, so I just turn it off. Okay, but the connection is not tangency, it's positional. You know, we have different connections between the surfaces. This is position connection, and if you toggle the view, if you want to view the surfaces only and not the curves, you can just hit down Control Shift and toggle. You see like nothing. Yeah, this is something like this, and if you want to see that in better quality, change this to accurate, and now it's available on the better quality. This is positional connection here because you can see a sharp edge here, but if you click on the surface and click on the freeform blend again, you can change this, but it's not available right now. Why? Because we just selected the curve, so I have to select the surface edge because I want to do something based on this surface. I need the history. Now it's available. When you click on it and sign by continuity, you can set it to G0 position or G1 tangency. We have recently started the camp, a 3 to 45 days camp, which you can learn Alias. If you purchase the course, you have lifetime access to the contents, and there is also lifetime support and assistance by me, and I'll help you to grow up from the zero until the final Audi RS3 2022 3D Alias model.